quality education for students, including those from Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 cities or diverse socio-economic backgrounds.
Yeah, namaskar everyone. First of all, thanks to Business World for having us here and wonderful panels and wonderful speakers. We actually have a lot of insights we are taking away with us. But yes, the question you asked for, how can we ensure equitable education for all? As of now, I will say like a few years back, it was very, very difficult because if I talk about the schools in village areas and remote areas, the access to quality education was very, very less. But now, because of the advantage of technology, which is all over, I think children staying anywhere in the country, studying anywhere in remote village, can access to that knowledge sitting in those places also. So if the child is interested, if the schools are interested to implement the equitable education, it's not difficult provided they have the facilities of technology in their areas. And technology plays a very, very important role in creating the equitable education in whatever city they are, whether they are in tier 2 or 3 or in number 1. Yeah.
As we know, as this technology convergence is at its peak, and how long, and so how important it is to teach our students of self-regulation skills in managing their screen time and staying focused.
Very valid question. I would say, of course, technology is there and technology is going to stay. And for the students to manage their time, how much to use technology and how much they need to read through other sources. I need to say here the schools and the parents have the responsibility to make the children self-aware. They should know what they want from their life, to follow their passion, to recognize their capabilities and abilities. And for this, the value education addition to other things has to be added right from the beginning, because screen time, of course, to know something, to search for the benefit of their own self, whether it's education related or their self awareness related. Otherwise, whiling away and wasting their time just sitting on the social media, chatting just good for nothing, Insta and Facebook, that will take their time, of course, from themselves, and distraction will be there. Even if they create their goal and if they're distracted too much towards social media, the time management will play a lot of role in distraction, and then they will not be able to achieve what they want to achieve. So, right balance of using the screen for the betterment of their own knowledge, and wherever it is needed to enhance what their goal is, to pursue that goal, that is what it is required. And of course, the parents and teachers play a vital role in making the children aware how much to use the technology.
How you imagine the Indian classroom in the next decade, and how does it look like?
Indian classroom in the next decade, I feel as teachers, we as educators will be as facilitators only, because there is a lot of knowledge through technology, to social media available to the students. But as teachers, as facilitators, our role will be to guide them what to use and how much to use that knowledge which is available in the social media, because everything given there may not be right. Everything available there is not relevant. So how to search for the relevant knowledge, that will be the role of the teachers and educators, to make them aware. Rest, of course, children have to have their own uh, passion and their own way of learning and their own ways of styles of learning.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.